today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use a reference management tool, specifically Zotero, Mendeley, and EndNote. So what exactly is a management tool? So basically it helps researchers collect, organize, and cite sources easily. You will learn how to use these three popular tools in this tutorial. These tools save time, reduce citation errors, and automatically format references in styles such as APA, MLA, and Chicago. But in grad school, everything is mainly in APA format. First, let's understand what a reference manager does. A reference manager stores research sources like books, journal articles, and websites. It keeps track of important details such as authors, titles, and publication dates, and allows you to insert citations directly into your document while you write. Let's begin with Zotero. Zotero is a free open source reference management tool. To get started, install the Zotero desktop application and the browser connector. Once installed, you can save sources directly from the web while viewing an article or a book online. Click the Zotero browser icon and the reference will be saved automatically. You can also add sources by dragging and dropping PDF files or by entering citations details manually. Inside Zotero, references can be organized into collections. You can add tags, notes, and attach PDFs to keep your research well organized. While writing in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, Zotero allows you to insert citations with just a few clicks. You select the citation style, choose your reference, and Zotero inserts the citation automatically. At the end of your document, Zotero can instantly generate a complete bibliography. Next, let's talk about Mendeley. Mendeley is a reference manager that also focuses on PDF reading and annotation. After installing Mendeley and its word plug, you can begin adding references. References can be added by dragging PDF files into a library, importing citation files, or saving references from online sources. Mendeley automatically extracts citation information from PDFs, making it easy to build your library. Within Mendeley, you can organize references into folders, highlight text, add notes, and annotative PDFs. This makes Mendeley especially useful for reviewing articles. While writing in your Word, you can insert citations from your Mendeley library and choose your preferred citation style. Your bibliography updates automatically as you add more citations. Now let's move on to EndNote. EndNote is a popular reference manager often provided by universities or research institutions. After installing EndNote in the Cite While You Write plugin, you can begin importing references. EndNote allows you to search online in databases, directly import reference files, or enter references manually. You can organize references into groups, attach PDFs, and add keywords or notes for easier searching. When writing in Word, EndNote enables you to insert citations and format them instantly in any citation style. Both in-text citations and bibliographies are updated automatically. So which tool would you choose? Zotero is ideal if you want a free and easy-to-use reference manager. Mendeley is great for researchers who work heavily with PDFs and annotations. EndNote is best for advanced research projects in large reference libraries. Despite their differences, all three tools follow the same basic workflow: collect sources, organize references, insert citations, and generate a bibliography. To conclude, reference management tools make academic writing faster, easier, and more accurate. Learning how to use one of these tools will greatly improve your research process and help you focus more on writing and analysis. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your research.